Welcome to Novato, California. This is a vibrant North Bay community where hometown comfort meets Bay Area sophistication. Nestled between rolling hills and the quiet edges of San Pablo Bay, Novato offers space to breathe, a friendly pace of life, and the perfect blend of natural beauty and everyday convenience. Families, professionals, and creatives alike call this place home, drawn to its parks, its schools, and its strong sense of connection. Just minutes from Highway 101, Creekside Meadows offers a peaceful garden-style community that feels connected, comfortable, and close to everything Novato has to offer. This thoughtfully renovated and modernized community blends classic neighborhood charm with fresh, contemporary updates. Wide green lawns, mature trees, and well-kept landscaping create a quiet, welcoming environment the moment you arrive. Residents enjoy a sparkling community pool, open courtyards, and convenient surface parking just steps from their front door. Inside, the remodeled apartment homes feature bright living spaces, updated kitchens, modern finishes, and layouts designed for everyday ease. It's a comfortable, well-rounded community in a location that makes daily life simple, connected, and unmistakably Novato. From Scottsdale Pond and Pioneer Park to neighborhood trails and dog-friendly paths, Novato invites you outdoors. Stroll through Old Town Novato. Enjoy local cafes and family-run shops, or bike along the shaded streets that give this town its small city charm. Great public schools and a genuine sense of community make this an easy place to settle in and feel at home. Major employers like BioMer Inn, Bradley Electric, and the Buck Institute for Research on Aging are just minutes away. And with quick freeway access, reaching San Rafael, Petaluma, Napa, or San Francisco is simple, giving residents the best of both worlds, a more relaxed North Bay lifestyle with big city opportunities close by. Novato also offers remarkable value, with the cost of living roughly 15% lower than neighboring San Rafael, while maintaining the same high quality of life, safety, and convenience. It's the kind of balance that makes this community special, practical, comfortable, and built for the long term. Whether you're commuting nearby, working remotely, or simply ready for a change of pace, you'll find your space here at one of the best locations in beautiful Marin County. Discover relaxed, connected living. Welcome home to Creekside Meadows.